Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Amazon account. So in order to change your phone number on Amazon accounts, all you have to do is launch the Amazon application in your mobile and make sure you are signed into your account. Then just tap on this little profile icon in the bottom. Then from there what you have to do is simply go to your account in the top right, and when you are here you will be able to see this type of interface. What you need to do is simply scroll down and simply look for an option that says your account and login, or you can go to login and security. Once you go to login and security, you are going to be able to see this where you can see primary phone number. In my case, I have not added. If you have added it, you will find the edit button. If you haven't added it, you will find the add button. So tap on this add or edit. Just enter your phone number. First of all, simply make sure to select your country. Enter the mobile number, tap on continue. It will send the verification code to your mobile number, and once you verify the code on SMS, your number will be successfully changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.